I move it a little downward. The note is these checkboxes must activated, rotate with component, and keep text readable. This is very important. Please do not forget this. I save as this file as a family. I name it T label and change the maximum backups to 1. We have two options: load into project and load into project and close. This will close this window too, and I move it to the thermostat family. As you can see, the symbol which I write will show now as a question mark. So I have to define a label again. How can I do this? I go to family type and I add new. I name it T label. And make it instance and text for next two options. I have to make it identity data to add it to the rest of the options. The amount of this one is T, or you can add any amount later if you want. I select the annotate label is added here, and I relate it to the T label, and I align it with this and lock it, and this with this and lock. Now our job is finished now, and just we have to set the view type. So I save it in the mechanical. Now I cannot see that. The reason is our view template is on the mechanical and our equipment is electrical. So it's logical. Electrical fixtures. If you go to the mechanical project, you cannot see the electrical equipments. I select the electrical fixtures. Okay. So it's not being shown. So I have to the properties window, view template. Here, electrical fixtures must be enabled here. Okay. Okay. Again, I have to select the electrical fixtures. Now we can see that. And the wall with the elevation of 3 feet, our tag is large. So we can rotate 90-degree and resize it to my desired one. In this part, I select tag and use edit family and change the font size. 0.5 or 13,255. I try to duplicate this. And I decrease the size of the circle and rotate the font 90 degrees, and I move it upward. And even I can mirror it like this. I load it into thermostat family. Alright, load into project, mechanical, okay. Overwrite. Our thermostat has been placed. Now, if I select thermostat and change the view options, I go to the 3D view. I select the 3D and visibility settings, and just planar CP must be activate, coarse, medium, and fine. Okay, these options. And for the bottom, these settings, okay, visibility, exactly like this configuration is good. Then I return to this window, I close this one. And for the tags, just fine options must be enabled. And I load it into the project, overwrite. If I change the view option, let me activate this to see the changes in the project. Medium, shed, I return to here, front, back, okay, load into project. Now you can see it. And if you use define, you can see the tag. This is very helpful. Now you can select the bottom part, visibility. Please activate all of this, and I do not want to see it in define situation. In the medium, fine, I just see the tags. This was the explanation of how you can model the thermostat. This will be continue